Do you remember when October used to be a cold month? Well, due to global warming and its negative effects on our planet, we can no longer enjoy to wear a sweater during the fall months. In order to reverse these negative effects that have been brought upon our planet, we must urge the EPA to ban all fossil fuels. Today, I'm going to speak to you about some of the negative effects that fossil fuels bring our planet. I'm also going to speak to you about some solutions to global warming and the long-term benefits of implementing these solutions versus not implementing these solutions. You may be asking yourself, what are fossil fuels? Well, fossil fuels are a natural fuel source such as coal, gasoline, or other various oils. When fossil fuels are burned, they release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which is very bad. According to the EPA, fossil fuels contribute to more than 65% of the global greenhouse gas emissions, and fossil fuels have been being used for or since the 1700s. So the problem that we're here today facing is global warming. There are many different issues that all factor into global warming, as greenhouse gases being the main one. Greenhouse gases, when you burn fossil fuels, it releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases cannot escape the atmosphere, so they trap the heat that comes in from the sun, which leads to the global warming effect. A majority of these greenhouse gases come from cars, buildings, power plants, and factories that all use fossil fuels as power. According to National Geographic, the average temperature has been rising nearly twice the rate in the last 50 years, all due to greenhouse gases, and it can be proved and linked to be caused by humans. We currently do not have a permanent solution to this problem, but we do have two promising ones, such as solar energy and energy efficient cars. Cars are a very important part of our lifestyle. We drive to school every day, to work every day, or to the gas station to get groceries, anything. We're always using a car, which emits a lot of fuel or greenhouse gas into the air. According to the UCS, burning of fossil fuels has contributed to more than 20% of all greenhouse gas emissions, and there are 24 pounds of carbon dioxide released into the air for every 1 gallon of gasoline. As you can tell, there are millions of people on the earth driving cars all at one time. This can lead to a lot of greenhouse gases getting emitted to the air, causing further global warming. Our next solution that I brought up is solar energy. You may be asking yourself, what is solar energy? Well, solar energy is energy we take from the sun's UV rays. We can put solar panels on our roofs for every household, and those solar panels can get rid of the use of fossil fuels in the households. According to Greenhouse Tech Media, the number of solar installations in the United States has officially surpassed 2 million. 2 million is a big number of houses not using fossil fuels anymore, which is a big step in getting rid of global warming or fixing it. Some of the consequences we will face if we do not follow these solutions, as stated by National Geographic, are the melting of glaciers, rising sea levels, rising temperatures, natural disasters, and various different animal extinctions. Rising sea levels would be very devastating for the US because California is in danger. California has the biggest economy in the US, so if the rising sea levels were to take over California, it'd be devastating to the US. Some of the benefits to implementing my solutions would be cleaner air, cleaner atmosphere, less acidic ocean, and an overall more healthy earth. As you can tell right now, if you live in California, it looks like there's a heavy smog as we just walk through or as we travel down Fresno. This is very bad for us because this can link us to lung disease from breathing in all that bad air here in the valley. And this is a very easy fix. Just getting rid of fossil fuels can help clear the air out a little bit here in the valley. All in all, if we would like to put an end to global warming, we must start by banning fossil fuels. The EPA should take order and forbid these harmful chemicals. The most harmful cause of global warming is fossil fuels, and we can fix this issue if the EPA just banned them and favored the long-term benefits. In order to save our planet, we must end all fossil fuels. Thank you.